Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 to a 2016 740 BMW. How the system works is, every time you jump in the vehicle, start the vehicle up, insert your push sequence, you get a double flash and then select a gear. If you don't do that and just start the vehicle and select a gear, the car will cut out. So we'll do that now. So I'm going to start the vehicle, start, select a gear, vehicle's cut out, won't start. Reason being is someone was to break into your house, take your key and try and start it, unless they knew the push sequence, they wouldn't be able to start the vehicle. Or if someone done a relay attack where they grabbed the code from your key, simulated the key, jumped in, unless they got the code, they won't start it. So I'll show you how it starts now. So basically, ignition on, select your code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start your vehicle, select a gear. There you go, vehicle's running. We now turn off the ignition and leave it, then the vehicle won't start. The reason why I actually hit the push button start 3 times is because I actually stalled it. So normally what you would do is you jump in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, start your vehicle, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash and select your gear. Really clever, really straightforward. If you want to take the vehicle for a service, this is also very, very straightforward. What you do is you turn on the ignition, start your vehicle, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, and then select the traction control button. Push that 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll get 5 flashes from the indicators. This is now in valet mode. It's also telling us on the dashboard that obviously the traction control is inactive, but that's because we've pushed it 5 times. So now what the vehicle will do is you just jump in the vehicle, start it, select your gear, and it's in valet mode. Really, really clever, really straightforward. When you get the vehicle back, exactly the same as what you always do. Start your vehicle up, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. This is now out of valet mode. So if I now turn off the ignition and then jump in and start it, select a gear, you'll see it will cut out. Really, really clever, really straightforward. Also, it has the facility that if you wanted to change the code and you're worried about someone that's seen the code, that's also very, very straightforward. So for this particular reason, I'm actually going to hit the push button start 3 times just to turn the main ignition on. This is just characteristics of this BMW. 1, 2, 3, ignition's on, and now insert the code, standard code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash from the indicators, and then put my foot all the way down on the accelerator, insert still the original code, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the indicators begin to flash, I'm now in learn mode. So you can use a few buttons on here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to see if this one actually works on this particular. So I'm going to use the cruise control 4 times. So every time I push the button, if it's on the network, the indicators will flash. So when I've selected it, if I then pause, it will then give me 3 flashes, and then I'll repeat the same thing again. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 3 flashes. Repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes if the code is repeated correctly. That's now learned. If I now turn off the ignition and start it, if I then try the old code, see, incorrect. If I select a gear, it'll cut out. There you go. the old code no longer works. So if I start the vehicle again, this time select the new code, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, double flash, select a gear. Really clever, really straightforward. I hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478, 0208 906 0478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.